So now let's try to automate this process. Now see, the automation is like there are three things here. One, the moment we push the changes from local branch or the local project to the main branch of the Git, we will actually just send it to GitHub, and via GitHub we are going to send it to the Linode server. Okay, so in the Linode server we are going to use this git pull origin main. So this is what we did in did manually, right? And then we will just run docker compose up build hyphen build d. See what's happening here. First thing, to create the to set up the CI/CD pipeline, first thing, from the local server, whatever feature we make, whatever changes that we make, we have to first push to the we will push to the main branch of our repository. Okay, the moment we push to the main branch, this CI/CD will trigger. Okay, so what this will do, this will actually take the your GitHub will actually take your Linode host, Linode user, Linode SSH key from the Linode secret. Where is it? Here in the settings, you have to add your secret keys in here, secrets and variables for actions. From here, okay, from here, it will take the secret login credentials, and it will just log into your Linode server automatically, and then it will run these three commands. What this will do, it will first go inside this opt clickmart folder 1, and then it will just pull the new changes 2, and it will then run the docker compose up 3. Only these three things it is going to do, and your updates will be live automatically. Okay, so let's see this in action now.